Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y11s, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, we'll need to open up the standalone contacts app, which can be found for me right over here. Let's skip signing in. So once it's open, tap on the three bars, go to settings, and at the bottom you should see import option. Once you tap on it, we'll give you two options to import from, and we're interested from the SIM card, so that's what I'm going to select and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do, you should be presented with all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. By default, they will all be selected, assuming they're not repeating. And as you can see, I didn't have any contacts, so all of them will be selected here. And what you want to do now is simply deselect contacts that you might not want. And from there, tap on the check mark. It will give you a number of contacts that have been imported, and if you go back, you will see them right over here. And if I were to go back to the import option, you'll see now that I will have two options less to import, and no matter how much I try, I won't be able to import them because they already exist on my contacts list. So just a little heads up. And that is basically how you would copy your contacts. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.